Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by removing any factory oils. Wash the new cast iron Dosa tawa with hot water and mild soap, then dry it completely to prevent spots. Once done, heat the tawa on medium for about 5 to 7 minutes so residual moisture evaporates and pores open. Next, make sure to apply a thin 1/2 teaspoon layer of neutral oil and rub it evenly. Wipe off excess so only a sheen remains. This creates the first bonding layer. Once the initial film is set, proceed with 3 to 5 cycles of thin oiling and heating to build a durable seasoning. You heat on medium until you see a faint smoke point, then turn off and cool. This polymerizes the oil into a hard layer. Make sure to use thin, even films of oil, avoid puddles, because even layers convert to a smooth nonstick surface faster. Over time, additional cycles produce darker, more resilient seasoning versus a sticky finish. You're ready to make the first dosa once the tawa tests hot. Sprinkle a few drops of water. If they bead and dance, preheat is correct. Then pour room temperature batter and spread quickly. Use a light spray or brush of oil to help release. After cooking, cool slightly and wipe clean, don't soak. If dosa sticks, don't scrub, reheat, wipe with oil, and perform one additional thin seasoning cycle to restore the nonstick layer. This fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.